Gold this week has started the week with a bearish candle. It has reached the first support level at 3000, and from here the price has bounced back up. In the next 2 days, the price could not manage to form any breakouts to the lower side, to the upper side, and we can see that the price has eventually on a Thursday formed a strong bullish candle. It is a bullish breakout candle which has closed above 3054.37 resistance level. The price continued to rise in value. We can see that on a Friday, where the price stopped currently between the resistance and the support level at 3085.07. Weekly time frame shows me still a bullish candle. We can see that we are still in the bullish mode. In the monthly time frame, it is also bullish. So everything suggests that the gold will continue to rise in value, because currently the price is all-time high price level. There is no resistance level above that, which has been already confirmed. The next level I have put here is 3106.92, which I am expecting that the price will try to reach, but we will see will the price confirm that this is the next resistance level or not. I will wait outside of the market to see where the price will stop, or if I go to the 4-hour time frame and a 1-hour time frame, I will see much more closely what are the levels in front of the price. And we can see that 3084.36 was a resistance level for several hours. We can see that where the price could not manage to go above this level, which is a very important resistance level. We can see that currently. If it is broken, we can see that on a Monday we will see will it happen. The next level will be 3091, and after that 3106. I'm sure that between this resistance 3106 and 3091 is some kind of resistance levels on the 1-hour time frame, which I will also draw next week after the price managed to make a bullish breakout, and I will see where the price will stop. So if you would like to receive this update with a MetaTrader 4 template with support and resistance and supply demand zones, feel free to check the premium analysis. I also share the details inside the premium analysis with the traders when the bullish breakout happens, and also what is the target. So feel free to check that inside the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description. So for now, for the gold, to make a conclusion, I am expecting the price will try to reach higher price levels, but we'll see how the price opens on a Monday, which is because after the week it is always important to see how the price opens, and also is there any gap or some kind of a strong bearish or bullish movements. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.